Hello producers, I am Jay Patel here. Today I am going to show you how to fix a common issue that can occur when your music is mixed up with another artist's music on YouTube. Sometimes this happens because the artist name is the same as yours. If you are independent artist, you can contact your support team, but it can take several days or even weeks to resolve the issue. However, if you signed with record label, it can be more challenging to fix the problem. Sometimes independent artists use reputable distributor that can help them from moment they release a track. These distributors often provide option to select the correct page to release their music on. Unfortunately, not all independent artists have access to such a distributors. But today I am excited to share with you an easy and fast way to correct this issue in just few minutes. This is a new feature in YouTube for official artist channels. Let's start. You can see this is my official artist channel and this is my topic channel. Also, this is artist channel same as my name. Also, this channel have same profile pictures as my. You can see this is two channel. This is correct channel of my official artist channel and this is incorrect page same as my name. You can see there are many releases are arrived on this channel. Now I need to move this all release to my correct official artist channel. So we start here. First of all, you have to open your channel studio. You can see your channel all content here. You can you can open your YouTube studio and go to content. Then you can see here option here this release tab here. Click on it. Now you can see the all releases your are arrived here. But sometimes this mapping issue happen and your release arrived on your wrong artist channel same as your name. Now we are going to start process how to move that releases on your correct artist channel. You can see looking for missing release is this below option. Let us know. Click on it. Now you can see this feature here, request change problem type. You have to select this option. My music is available on YouTube but not on my channel. This is required a release URL, YouTube music URL to paste here and click on accept this. Now we are going to move that release that arrived on wrong page to move my on correct page. Let's start it. Simply open new tab and open YouTube music. Click on YouTube music and here you have to select that wrong artist channel same as your name and copy that track to move to your correct artist page. This is my incorrect artist channel. You can see here this is all my releases. There are many releases arrived on my wrong page. You can see also here on YouTube and you can see your here you can see on YouTube Music. Click on more. Now you have to select open that track, any track. Click on now I have to move this track jungle zone to move on my correct page. Now I am going to simply open this track and copy this URL and paste on this box and click on this button, tick mark and submit. Now your change request has been submitted. Now you can refresh and check it. You can see here option. You have one request for missing release date under review. Let's check all requests. You can see the open request hour. I have submitted Jungle Zone dead track, arrived on wrong page. Now I have requested move to on my correct page. Now you can see open request here. When it is take a few minutes to solve it. This is request I have before I have submitted. Now that can close, or this is showing open status. It means your request is pending, and in few minutes if your will request solved, then it will show status like this, closed. Also, if another artist track arrived on your track, you can also remove from your channel. Simply click on that incorrect release. For example, I select Feel the Night and click on Request Change and select This is not my release, remove from my channel, and click on and tick on this tick mark and submit. And and that incorrect release will be removed from your channel. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.